Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. How is everyone? Menti's perfect trend line. Menti's perfect trend line or not? We discussed this in the live market. I hope you guys were able to. It's a perfect trend line, right? I said it will keep. It'll. That is where I said if at retest take a small trade. I said around 44,083. At that point of time, it was at 93. I said take this trade only if you can come and exit in 20-30 points. I hope the view is helping you guys build the confidence in the market. I hope my views are helping you build the confidence in the market. Right now, let's go to the option charts. Right, we'll quickly. Good afternoon, sir. For option sellers, this was the best place to short. 44,000 CE at 351 with a stop loss of 371 only. It was the best place to short. Yes, we'll just wait. Let people join. There are 23 people who are there. Let people join. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. See, we discussed, guys, in the live session, right? We discussed this trend line will act as a resistance. I said if you are trying to enter at the breakout, try to exit quickly. Yes, and from there, there was a good option sell. The put buy only happens after VWAP, right? Otherwise, it becomes risky. So I actually would not recommend buying. See, now this the problem today, no, guys. The problem today, if you see, right, the problem today that we have is now the market will shunt between these two levels, right? It will neither go up nor come down, and over a long run, no, if you see, you can see this support and resistance actually developing, right? I'll just reduce the width of this trend line. If you see, there is this support and resistance. No, Gautam ji, no. In fact, I was not looking at long when we were doing a live practice, right, of the chart reading. I had said you can buy at this breakout, but this will be a good area from where order flow will develop. Personally, I would like to buy 44,000 put around 265, keeping 245 as a stop loss. The reason is your puts are all above VWAP, right? So you can buy here and you can keep this as a stop loss. This candle, it's a good place to buy put. But again, guys, these are my recommendations basis the study that I have done. These are no trading recommendations, right? Now let's go back to the chart, right? Now let's go back to the chart. So see, simply put, right, VIX, is it showing a breakout? It could VIX could break out, right? Now you have your bank nifty, which is actually taking it's shunting between resistance and support, right? This candle is a good place. I see, I'm still waiting. Earlier when it was breaking out, I said if it takes support here, I will go long, right? But now I am waiting. For me personally, today there are no big trades there in the market, so there is a target below which is pending, which is this one. This candle, right, can be met if it starts trading below this support, right? This is the risk. So now what am I trying to do? I'm trying to buy a put here around 43,992. I will buy a put around 43,992. My target one will come here. Then if the trend line breaks, I'm looking at a bigger target. Otherwise, there is no big gain today in the market. There is no big gain in the market. Do not try to chase the price, it will actually be counterproductive for you guys. Do not try to chase the price, because see very clearly, right? If I see the candle, I'm just getting into 5 minutes, right? I'm just getting into 5 minutes. This was the earlier support, right? When it was going up, this is the entire support area. Do you see this, guys? This is a support area, right? Now market should not sweep at this support area. I don't like sweep happening at this support area. If it sweeps, then there is a problem. So I am waiting. I am still saying don't take any trade. If it breaks down, this trend line will act as a support. It will again come back and retest this area, and then you can take a short. You can again take a short, right? But wait. See, premiums will not go anywhere. Now this level, right, that we had drawn in the morning, it has been breached. Let it come back. Let it come back to the VWAP. Somewhere between 259 and 263, right, it will come back, and that is where we'll get a trade. Now the reason why I am saying I am short, is this is an order flow, right? This is an order flow which has got developed. For people who want to know what is order flow, again, order flow is nothing but consistently, right, following a trend line, hitting the order blocks, and then shorting, going in the same direction in the market. This is inside. Yesterday whatever happened was all inside. Now at this order flow, right, we got a good indecision candle. There is no trade at indecision candle, so typically 50, and I'll go to 15 minutes, right, because 15 minutes is where we do everything. You see a hanging man followed by an indecision candle here. You get into 1 minute charts and you start to take your trades here, right? This is where the trade happened. It was not a call, it was not a put buy, it was a call sell for me, because very simply all the puts are below this VWAP, then at least, right? So now I am waiting, right? Aggressive people can also enter at 275, keeping a stop loss of 254, right? But primarily it's gonna touch this level. Let it hit trend line, let it take a support and then come down. Near the trend line it is reacting. I am going to a 1 minute time frame. I will, in all probabilities, I will initiate a put trade here. Components are all bearish, guys. I have seen the components. I will show it to you guys. The components are all bearish. So even when the market was going up, neither HDFC nor ICICI, no one had taken their highs out. Components are all bearish. This could be profit booking. So guys, I am entering 44,000 PE at 278, keeping 253 as stop loss. If the entry happens, we will take the entry. As I said, around trend line it will react and come back. Let it come back. We will get a trade. Be patient in the entries. This target, if it hits without actually coming to my buying price, it is okay. I will not be sweating over it. Do not take a wrong entry just because market is forcing you to take an entry. See, the premiums are not going anywhere. Look at this. Premiums are just decaying there, right? We are waiting for an entry here. If we get a good entry, we will take it, else we will wait. Personally, I am seeing the target that I have set will get met. I just want to see if I can get a good entry there for the. Yes, good afternoon. Yeah, we are talking of 44,000, Navneet ji. Let it come all the way here and then we'll take the entry. Bank Nifty, see again it will retest the resistance and then it will fall, is what we are expecting. Okay, the entry may happen any point of time. Okay, my entry has happened. It's 278 was my entry. I have done the entry. My stop loss is at 253. The entry is good. We have got a good entry. I need a closing of 5 minutes in this option chart about 289. I will hold this. No averaging, guys, no averaging. This is purely done basis the setup. See, my setup very simply says this is gonna act as a resistance. Now if it doesn't, it's a high probability setup, right? I am looking at the target of 43,795. The reason I am saying it is all the components are bearish. This one has taken a support here, but given it's actually falling, right, this support I am expecting to be breached. Same is the case with ICICI. Axis is looking good, Kotak is looking good, but they are again in a downward trend. We'll see if our, see again the entry was good. It is giving you a chance to at least book some profit, if not everything. It will, okay, I want a closing about 289 290 for me to continuously hold this trade. I need a closing above that level to hold this trade. If it doesn't happen, I will exit around 230. I need a closing above this level, else I will have to exit the trade. Around 289 290 I need a closing. We will wait and watch. We have done the entry at the right place. We are just waiting and watching, right? We are just waiting and watching. The index is clearly, index was bearish. I am not hoping this area to be breached. If it gets breached, we will have to take the stop loss, right? Now everything was pointing towards a bearish thing. Components, your charts and everything. See, charts are above the VWAP. This is above the VWAP. I am not looking at buying calls or anything. I am not, selling call was right at the top. Now I am looking at this again, guys. Very important thing is, if your entry is at the right place, market always gives you a chance to place your SL or at least come out with minimal damage. Now here, right, if I am not feeling comfortable, market has given me 8 to 10 points, I can at least exit cost to cost plus brokerage, right? If not for anything, if I am not feeling comfortable, I will exit cost to cost plus brokerage. Yeah, but we are waiting. I want to wait and see if I get a solid body closing about 289. I am hoping this one will actually go and meet 350. Probably the first target would be 319. The next target would be 333, and then it can go all the way up to 356. I am looking at this as a target. Guys, if it doesn't close here, right, by 230, I want a closing above. If it's closing below, then it makes the call very difficult. The put, sorry, when I say call, right, it's a put. It makes it, it will probably hold that area for some time, and then the move will happen. So in market, right, there is no guarantee. These are trades that we take per our setup. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, then you have to humbly accept the stop loss. I want a closing above this level, 289, somewhere above this, right? I need a closing, solid body closing I want there, right? Let's see, if it gives I will then hold, else it will make my call slightly difficult. Okay, it's going to 290. Okay guys, now trail. I don't want you to give back your money. Guys, trail. $300 done. 1:1 is done. 1:1 is done, right? 1:1 plus is done. Our stop loss did not hit, right? Okay, I hope many of you all were able to make some money and come out, right? The target is still there down, but now I don't want to focus on this. Done. Okay, good. Right, now we will revisit this chart later. Right? Vikramji, sweep means it actually comes down, eats up all the SL and then goes up. Done. I hope everyone was able to come out unscathed and made some money. Right? Yes. And if you see, right, it went all the way to 301 and now it's coming down, which is okay, as in that's fine. Yeah, interesting. Cool. I said exit around 298, but it's okay. PVC, it's okay, completely fine. Now we interestingly get into, so I wanted to take some questions from members, right? Because in the daily transaction, it becomes very difficult for me to focus on the questions. So I wanted to open it up to everyone and ask me any questions that they had. So guys, some of you all joined late, but most of you all, right, were able to see the entry and exit. I hope no one has made loss. Don't be greedy. Our morning call, we did not make much, which is okay. Market will never actually give us everything per our liking. Market will not give us everything per our liking. We have to accept market the way it is, right? What is the key takeaway that 62 members have from this? See, again, we are doing this for educational purpose, right? We are doing this for educational purpose, not for anything else. What is the key takeaway? You guys have been seeing me trade more than 1 month now. What is the key takeaway that you guys have from me? There is a key takeaway, right? I always say, do not rush into your entries. Do not rush into your entries because you have to wait. Now see, as I was saying, right, market will come. This will be my one target. The others will be ahead, right? And again, right now we are not looking at meeting. Wait for the setup. Everyone, Mahesh, if you remember, right? Yes, patience and follow setup. Mahesh, Jay, everyone, right? Yes, risk is managed, take time. Yes, have patience. Now, many of you all have been knowing me for a long time, right? You guys always say that when I am entering, only then momentum is coming. You guys are trading with me, right? Is the momentum also coming when you guys are seated with me? Yes, sit neutral in the market and wait for your setup. Guys, we are doing a live trade, right? We are doing live trades. Are you guys, see, again, I am not an operator. I am nothing. I am just doing this for educational purpose of everyone. No, I am not market maker Shubham. I am just a simple person, right? If you see, my setup is very simple to follow. Before people joined, and again, I had done a live session with my mentees, right? 11:30 to 1. We spoke about order flow there. I clearly told there is an order flow. I would rather prefer shorting the market, right? If you go long, the risk reward is not in favor. Had it come down and then gone up, risk reward was in favor. So even when I entered, I said I'm entering for 20-30 points, not more. From here I had shorted a C, but again, given many people are not interested in option selling calls, I had not posted it. PE, right? I wanted to take a live trade and I was hoping that, see, I said once it is falling, right, don't chase the price. I said don't chase the price. Now you know this is the, see, this was support, right? In the morning when market went up, this is the support. Now that this fall has happened, what did I say? I had drawn a trend line and I said if the trend line actually gets, no, I don't know the pulse of the market, Rajiv ji, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. The day I start thinking that I know the pulse of the market, that day I will actually go bankrupt in the market, that same day, right? You have to be very grounded and stay humble in the market. Market teaches you everything. So I took a trend line and I said I am expecting this trend line to touch and hit and bounce, because it's coming for the first time. See, look at this, guys. This trend line is coming for the first time, right? I am not looking at the closing candle yesterday, that was expiry. Now once it is coming up, right, I need a, see, market is bearish now clearly. Now I need a place to short, right? I should not chase the price. If I chase the price, I will end up averaging. If I chase the price, I will wait up averaging. What, simply put, what I need to do is, the box which was giving a support, I placed a 50% here. I wait, I go to 1 minute, I wait for a bearish candle here to enter. This is a bearish candle, indecision. I enter here. Also there is a VWAP and above VWAP, right? There was a support in the morning, right? That the option chart had taken. That becomes my entry point. Now here, my risk reward, right? 43,923. If market has to take my stop loss, it has to cross two supports, resistances. Yeah, it has to cross two resistances, which is very difficult. See, market may always try to be on the side where there is path of least resistance. There is least friction, right? If you are there on that side, you will always make good money. Now, it is like when you are swimming, right? You always go down. Downward slopes are easy. If you start swimming against the current, it is very difficult to swim, right? It will consume a lot of energy. So here I know, if I see, my target is this. My target is 43,785. But even from here to this point, is it giving me a respectable exit without any stress? Yes, Vishwanath, it depends on certain demand and supply. This is the point from where market has taken a pivot. I am excluding this because this is closing candle, right? I am excluding this as an expiry closing candle. This was the support in the morning. I had 2 points. The third point came and touched here. Yeah. And then there is a third point. Market has taken 3 points. 2 points is a ray. Basic mathematics, 2 points is a ray. Finite close, finite beginning, finite end. Line is infinite. So I am looking at a trend line. I am not looking at a ray. So for trend line, you need more than 3 points to connect. So till 2 points were connected, I was not worried. The third point, when it came and breached, I was looking at a move up so that I can take the trade. Great, great, Rajkumar ji. See, if your entry is at right place, guys, the reason why I am stressing today on entry, गौरव जी मैं हिंदी में भी समझा दूंगा, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I'll try and do it in both language. Thanks for bringing it to my attention. देखो, आपकी एंट्री अगर सही है, if your entry is correct, the benefit that you will get is there will be less anxiety. You will be able to hold. See, when I entered, market went against me, right? I entered at 276, 278, right? That was my entry point. Market went 8-9 points against me. Now if you have entered wrong, you would always be anxious. You would want to come out of the trade. If your entry is right, अगर आपकी एंट्री सही है, तो आपको डर नहीं लगेगा, तो आप एग्जिट कर पाओगे. गुड राघवेंद्र सर, आई एम लाइकिंग द वे यू आर making profits, retaining your profits and closing the day. I think now it's very important for us to just focus on learning. We made decent money. I think you have also done good today. Since morning I have been seeing your trades. You have done well. ठीक है, तो आपकी एंट्री अगर सही है तो आपको अगेंस्ट आपके जाएगा ना, आपको डर नहीं लगेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका 25 रुपये का स्टॉप लॉस तो डिफाइन है सिस्टम में. अब आगे आप जो देख रहे हैं, यू आर जस्ट लुकिंग एट अ पोटेंशियल टारगेट्स टू हिट. अब ये देखो, मार्केट हमेशा हमारे हिसाब से नहीं चलेगा. अब यहाँ पे कहाँ से घूमा है, ये प्रायर कैंडल का जो सपोर्ट लिया था यहाँ से मार्केट वापस घूम रहा है बार बार, ठीक है, 2 बार घूमा है, तीसरी बार अब इसके नीचे क्लोज करेगा तो ये टारगेट है, बट यहाँ पे मेरे पास रिस्क रिवॉर्ड सही नहीं है, अब मैं ये ट्रेड नहीं लूँगा। जयदत्त तांबे 251 प्रॉफिट, जयदत्त प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा होना चाहिए था, 25 पॉइंट पे अगर आप निकले हो तो आपका एटलीस्ट 625 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए था। चलिए ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा भी प्रॉफिट इज़ वेरी गुड। अब यहाँ पे मेरा ट्रेड लॉजिक क्या था, अगर आप देखेंगे ये ओपन हाई कैंडल से अगर आप देखेंगे मार्केट कंप्लीटली रेंज बाउंड है। देखो मार्केट बेरिश नहीं है, देखो हम चार्ट रीड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, हम चार्ट रीड कर रहे हैं। मार्केट जब तक ये, आप मेरा डेली वीडियो भी देखोगे तो मैंने क्लियर कट कहा है, मार्केट जब तक ये पॉइंट के नीचे क्लोज नहीं करता ना, मार्केट बेरिश तो नहीं है, मार्केट बेरिश नहीं है। ये तो इंट्राडे के स्विंग से छोटे छोटे, ये आपको प्रॉफिट बुकिंग ही है। वैसे अगर आप देखो तो 38,000 से 44,500 गया है, 6,500 पॉइंट की रैली हुई है। अगर आप देखेंगे मार्केट ने अभी तो सिर्फ 600-700 पॉइंट कवर किया है, विच इज़ 10% ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग रैली। सो 10% इज़ नथिंग, 10% इज़ नथिंग, राइट, 10% इन अ मार्केट इज़ नथिंग। ये तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग है जिन्होंने नीचे से अपना पोजीशन बनाया था, ठीक है, जिन्होंने अपना पोजीशन नीचे से बनाया था वो अपना पोजीशन हल्का कर रहे हैं, बस इतना ही था, ठीक है, वो अपना पोजीशन हल्का कर रहे हैं। अब चलते हैं, एनी क्वेश्चंस गाइस, एनी क्वेश्चंस? या विश्वनाथ जी, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई इन इटसेल्फ, राइट, इनफैक्ट वी हैव बीन टीचिंग इट टू पीपल, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई उतना ईजी नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट वेरी ईजी। there are 4 legs of a trend, you need to learn how to draw the swings, right, depending on those only you can actually take these trades. Otherwise drawing demand and supply in itself is a big challenge. Many people make mistake in drawing demand and supplies, right, but if you see whatever charts we are sending, Ipka, I will have a look at it, Piyush, right. If you see the charts that we are drawing, right, have very less noise, so there are certain areas only where boxes are drawn. ये तो जो बॉक्सेस ड्रॉ किए तो मैंने मेंटीज़ के लिए ड्रॉ किए थे, ये मतलब कुछ एक कॉन्सेप्ट समझा रहा था, ठीक है, बट अदरवाइज इफ़ यू सी, राइट, एंड दैट इज़ वे, राइट, आई ऑलवेज सी इन्वेस्ट मोर इन लर्निंग, forget money but time is of essence, right, forget money, time is of essence, invest time to learn markets. बिलो 40 नहीं, स्ट्रक्चर चेंज नहीं होगा शुभम, स्ट्रक्चर चेंज होने के लिए 42,700 के नीचे क्लोज करना पड़ेगा, 42,700, ये पॉइंट के नीचे जब तक क्लोज नहीं करते ना, अभी भी ये स्ट्रक्चर चेंज नहीं होगा, स्ट्रक्चर बहुत नीचे चेंज होगा। मतलब आप लॉन्गर टर्म टाइम फ्रेम देखोगे ना, 38,000 इज़ द सपोर्ट नाउ, 38,300, बाकी तो ये सारे स्विंग्स जो इंटरनली हैं। देखो 6,000 पॉइंट की रैली हुई है, 6,000 का अगर आप 3,000 पॉइंट निकालोगे रिट्रेसमेंट, 41,200 तक मार्केट तो ऐसे ही करेगा, अभी थोड़ा परेशान करेगा मार्केट, अभी ट्रेंडिंग नहीं होगा, जो ट्रेंड मूव देना था दे दिया। अभी एक डिप आना ज़रूरी है मार्केट में फॉर एनी मार्केट टू मूव इन वन डायरेक्शन, राइट, इट कैन नॉट कंटिन्यूसली मूव। आई पर्सनली फील वन डिप शुड कम, एक डिप आना ज़रूरी है, ठीक है गाइज। एवरी वन कंफर्टेबल विथ वॉट वी डिड? यस, नो विश्वनाथ जी, आई एम रेफरिंग टू दिस ट्रेडिंग व्यू ओनली। अरे आई एम डूइंग ऑल दिस एनालिसिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइज ओनली। ये ऑर्डर फ्लो भी मैंने जब मेंटीज़ को भी सिखाया था, समझाया था, तो मैंने उनके सामने कोई गो चैटिंग इसी पे किया था। See that order flow, volume profile and all, right, these are fancy indicators which people have brought. They may work, I am not saying no, I have nothing against indicator, they work, but price ना, कैंडल स्टिक में आपको बता देगा कि प्राइस को कहाँ जाना है, प्राइस बता देगा आपको कैंडल स्टिक को कहाँ जाना है, ठीक है। आई लाइक टू, एज एन आई एम कंफर्टेबल ट्रेडिंग प्राइस एक्शन, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस इज़ द ओनली थिंग, प्लीज़ डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग। इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल यूजिंग सर्टन indicators, some market profile, order flow, all those things you can use. I am generally not comfortable. I have learnt order flow, delta, maximum, minimum, but वहाँ पे भी ना by the time it happens, right, Vishwanath ji, you have lost the bus because you get to see it after 5 minutes, right? So 5 minutes का price action हो चुका है. Candlesticks generally will give you a good view of everything if you read it, if you have learned to read it properly. ठीक है. I can with everyone's could, I personally feel this is a good support, it could come here. Yes, Vishal, that was way back in 2021. 4 lines, right? 2 dotted and 2 solid. That was way back in 2021. You are right. Now we will get into some stocks with everyone's this thing, right? So many people had joined for an index trade. We got an index trade. We also got to learn how the market actually waits for your prices to happen, right? Yeah. Now we will go to IPCA and NMDC as a chart. Guys, many people were asking about Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance ने आज अच्छा मूवमेंट दे दिया. अगेन these are positional stock options. You have to hold it for some time. ये रिजल्ट अच्छा देते हैं. अगेन इसका लॉजिक है. लॉजिक इज़ बेस्ड ऑन सर्टन बेसिंग क्राइटेरियाज. अगर बेस क्राइटेरिया मीट होता है, एक अच्छा डिप आता है, उसके बाद अगर कंसोलिडेशन होता है तो ये डाउ थियरी फॉलो करते हैं. सिंपली पुट डाउ थियरी के हिसाब से हमने दिया हुआ. इपका पीवीश आपको किसने दिया है ये स्टॉक? इपका आप ब्रेकआउट स्टॉक्स पकड़ रहे हो काफ़ी. सन टीवी, वेट विल सी. पीवीश, यू हैव बीन फॉलोइंग सम गुड हैंडल ऑन ट्विटर लुक्स लाइक. पीवीश जी, you are bringing all the breakout stocks. Okay, personally for me, IPCA, right, I want to see these are good candles, but if you see, right, your selling candle, right, are here, right, your selling candles are here, these two big selling candles after gap down. I'll pick up Adani also, Mahesh ji. Your two selling candles are here, right? Now after selling candle, this is just a dead cat bounce which happened, and then it is falling again. Personally, I want to see, again, the thumb rule says for a market to fall again, it has to retest certain important Fibonacci levels, right? Now if I consider this as a swing in itself, right, this is a break of structure. I don't have a low confirmed right now. This is a weak low, right? Personally, I would, if it closes above 717.8, I am seeing this rally to continue up to 742 and 763, but from 763 it's again short, right? From 763 it is again short. So if you are chasing, if you have the stock since the bottom, you can continue holding it. It's a pharma stock. Watch Nifty Pharma also. It will give you a hint of where it wants to go. Then you have NMDC. NMDC is a small, इसमें इतना वॉल्यूम नहीं है, बट अगेन सिंपली पुट चार्ट को देखोगे ना, इफ़ यू सी द चार्ट, it's a good trend line which it is trying to break. 1 2 3, these are, consider it as 1, it's very close by, right? Today it is touching it for the third time. Now it has to consolidate between 107 and 109, or it has to break out and consolidate between 111 and 109, right? If that happens, you are in the game for 114, 117 and 122. Otherwise this could actually struggle, but this is again a good pattern near the support. If you see, right, ये आपके long term supports हैं near the support. So this is, if this is my swing, see guys, yeah, I will try to give. On the, if this is my major swing, if you see this, right, it is not bearish chart, probably it is getting ready for breakout. You will see one move here, second move here, third move here, fourth move here, right? This is how the chart could actually progress. Yeah, this is how the chart could progress, right? Nifty metal is up, metal index is up because of Adani. I think Adani is firing. There was some news in Adani. I think Adani is firing. अडानी, ओके, अडानी मॉर्निंग में गैप अप हुआ था. अडानी वॉज फायरिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. कुछ न्यूज़ है चाइना से आ रहा है, बट अडानी में भी न्यूज़ है. डोंट शॉर्ट दिस स्टॉक. ओके, कभी भी लेट, जयदत्त जी, कभी भी इफ़ यू आर लेट, डू नॉट एंटर. वंस अ बस हैज़ missed, you should let it go, right? Now there are stocks that I have to pick up quickly. I will do it. ACC, right? Prava, what is your entry point? ACC actually consolidation में है, right? ये अगर 1835 ब्रेकआउट करता है तो आपके पास 1935 का टारगेट है, बट ये अच्छे कंसोलिडेशन में है. इट्स फॉर्मिंग लोअर हाइज एंड हायर लोज. इसको ये इस पॉइंट के बियॉन्ड ही बुलिश होगा, या इस पॉइंट के बियॉन्ड ही कम होगा बुलिश. ठीक है. देर इज ACC, देर इज जाइडस लाइफ, देन देर आर टू मोर. वेट, आई फॉरगॉटन. वेट, I'll keep doing it. Zydus Life had come in my radar couple of days back. मैंने एक्चुअली ये मैंने यहाँ पे ये sometime in May, no, I had given a long year, but it was a stop loss. See, जब तक ये लेवल नहीं निकलता है 528 का, Zydus में कोई बड़ा मूवमेंट नहीं आएगा. एंड Zydus का प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, मेरे को चार्ट में क्या दिख रहा है पता है, ये एक अपवर्ड चैनल है. जनरली अपवर्ड चैनल, नो, दीज आर नॉट माई प्रिफर्ड ट्रेडिंग. दीज आर नॉट माई प्रिफर्ड ट्रेडिंग पैटर्न्स. ये अपवर्ड चैनल है, ये अभी ऊपर जाएगा, ये 539 तक फिर नीचे आ सकता है. या सो आई जनरली डोंट प्रिफर ट्रेडिंग अपवर्ड चैनल. ठीक है. सन फार्मा, सन टीवी, आई हैव टू लुक एट सन टीवी ऑल्सो, बट यू गॉट द रिस्पॉन्स, राइट? बजाज फाइनेंस, या यू कैन होल्ड. Sun TV is bullish actually after breaking the structure, right? It's done the inducement. Personally, I am seeing targets of 482 here. This is a small consolidation zone. ये एक छोटा सा consolidation zone है. ये इसके ऊपर जैसे sustain किया 470 and 482 could come. 470 and 482 could come. You could hold this trade. Sun TV, if you have bought it at the bottom, it is good. If you have bought it here, then probably you should trail your profits. यहाँ पे हल्का सा परेशान करेगा, right? There was Sun Pharma and then there is Laurus Labs, right? I hope I have not missed anyone's trade. HDFC Life, Sai ji, I think it has given the move. We made 2x on that. I think you should exit. ट्रैप कैंडल प्रीमियम में ACC का, राइट? ओके, आई मिस्ड इट. सो सन फार्मा अगेन, राइट? ब्रेक स्ट्रक्चर हैज़ बीन ब्रोकन. दिस इज इंड्यूसमेंट. बी कॉशियस. सन फार्मा, whoever is holding, be cautious. This could be an area from where it could reverse. In my understanding, this could be an area where it could reverse, right? So actually, if you see, right, this is a trend line breakout. This is a liquidity sweep. I am personally expecting something like this. See, these are again probabilities. ऐसा ये मत सोचना कि यही होगा, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. मार्केट में ऐसा कभी नहीं सोच सकते कि यही होगा. कहाँ गया ये लिक्विडिटी लेके ऐसे आके फिर ऐसे भी आ सकता है. ठीक है. सन फार्मा, आई वुड से whoever is holding, please be cautious. ये अभी इसने अपना काम कर लिया है. ये स्ट्रक्चर का ब्रेक था. दिस वाज अ ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ईयर. ठीक है, ये स्ट्रक्चर का ब्रेक था. ऊपर से एक अच्छा ऑर्डर फ्लो बन रहा है. इसने ब्रेक किया, उसको लिक्विडिटी ले लिया, एंड अब इसने इंड्यूसमेंट अपना कर लिया था. ये ऑर्डर फ्लो, ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक को होल्ड नहीं कर रहा है. मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ पे डिसीजनल पॉइंट है, यहाँ से गिर सकता है. सो इफ़ यू हैव टेकन दिस ट्रेड, बी कॉशियस, be ready to exit the position here, right? HDFC Life, HDFC Life, I had said exit here. In fact, someone had asked this in one of the live sessions also. I had said this is a resistance point. we had entered at this basing candle, and this right now the supports will come somewhere between 568 and 557. This I don't think one should hold this for this stock was clearly a, देखो इसने अपना इंड्यूसमेंट किया, ये अपने इस रेंज में गया था, इसने अपना काम कर लिया है, ठीक है। अरे जिगर जी, ओबेरॉय रियल्टी हमने 8 या 10 बार देखा है, कब तक देखोगे? यू विल हैव टू मूव आउट ऑफ दैट स्टॉक। सीन ओबेरॉय रियल्टी मेनी टाइम्स, राइट? हाँ, बिकॉज गौरव, ओके गौरव जी वापस आप उस पर देखिए, आप यूट्यूब एक बार फिर से मतलब सेशन के बाद देखिए, जब नीचे आ रहा है ना, एक सपोर्ट लेगा ट्रेंड लाइन पे, एंड सपोर्ट लेके, ओके थैंक यू, गुड गुड, या सपोर्ट लेके ना जब ऊपर जाएगा ना तो आपका प्राइस कूल डाउन होगा। तो सपोर्ट से जो नेक्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस था 30 to 40 पॉइंट्स दूर था, तो 278 में, आई एम नॉट सेइंग, आई एम श्योर कि 278 पे आएगा, बट दैट इज़ अ प्राइस वेर आई एम कंफर्टेबल टू प्लेस एन एसएल। इफ़ मार्केट अगर उधर आता है तो मैं ट्रेड लूँगा, नहीं आता है तो आई विल लेट इट गो, क्योंकि रनिंग कैंडल्स में ना एंड रनिंग फ्लो में ट्रेड लेने में मज़ा नहीं आता है, आप ऑलवेज स्ट्रेस में रहोगे, ठीक है, आप ऑलवेज स्ट्रेस में रहोगे। देयर वर कपल ऑफ स्टॉक्स, Bajaj Finance I think we have covered earlier. Laurus Labs was one that I wanted to see. Okay, Laurus Labs is making a good pattern. There is a J hook here. It is making a good pattern. It's a J hook here. Personally, I am seeing this is a good basing form, right? Now, okay guys, ये एक अच्छा चार्ट है। ये देखिए, ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है, बट आप देख रहे हैं ये रेजिस्टेंस के पहले इसने नीचे कितना काम किया। अब आइडियली ना, आई वांट दिस चार्ट टू स्पेंड सम टाइम हियर, ये ऐसे स्पेंड करेगा ना, और उसके बाद ब्रेकआउट देगा, तो ये आपका टारगेट 1 होगा, ठीक है। उसके बाद इसको आने दीजिए, फिर से नीचे थोड़ा सपोर्ट लेगा, एंड देन इट कैन गो ऑल द वे अप टिल हियर। सो दिस इज, इफ़ यू आर होल्डिंग इट पोजिशनली, इट्स अ वेरी गुड चार्ट, यू कैन कंटिन्यू होल्डिंग इट। It's a very good chart, you can continue holding it, right? There was Hero MotoCorp which I had missed. I will quickly look at Hero Motos. This was a breakout, अनिरुद्ध जी, ये हमने सुबह को जब प्री ओपन में भी पिक किया था, इसका टारगेट इसने मीट कर लिया है। देखो ऑटो में there are numbers which are going to come out. I would say that this is proceeding towards its resistance. If you have made your profit, do not hold it for long. यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस ले सकता है या कंसोलिडेट कर सकता है। सो पर्सनली आई वुड बी कॉशियस हियर, आई वुड बी कॉशियस हियर। ये एक नैरो रेंज में है पूरे 2022 2023 में, इसमें कोई भी, अगर आप देखो रेंज बड़ी है, रेंज बड़ी है, सी डोंट मिस्टेक मी हियर। 600 पॉइंट की रेंज ऑन दिस स्टॉक इज़ मोर देन 22-23%, राइट? बट अगर देखो तो ना इसने स्विंग हाई निकाला है ना स्विंग लो निकाला है, तो कायदे से यहाँ पे इसको थोड़ा ये करना चाहिए। ठीक है, आई विल जस्ट लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट। आई थिंक देर इज सम एक्साइटमेंट देर। कोई ट्रेड बन रहा है क्या? सी जनरली फ्राइडे है, वीकेंड डोंट, नहीं कोई एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है। सी एज वी सेड, राइट, ये ट्रेंड लाइन, ना आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस टू बी ब्रोकन, ये यहाँ पे सपोर्ट भी है, ट्रेंड लाइन भी है, बट ठीक है। बट अगर आप देखोगे सिंस लास्ट 15-30 मिनट्स इसने कुछ भी नहीं किया है। ये देखो, ये रेंज है ना, सिर्फ चार्ट में दिखती है। अभी नहीं बाय करना है नवनीत जी, अभी बाय नहीं करना है। ये रेंज सिर्फ चार्ट में दिखती है, इससे ऑप्शन प्राइस पे ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। इससे ऑटो नंबर्स आर कमिंग टुडे, आई थिंक दे जनरली कम ऑन फ्राइडे, राइट? अब यहाँ पे I would say it's no trade zone. See the reason, understand why it is no trade zone. ये VWAP के नीचे, the call is below VWAP, right? The call is below VWAP. Your put is below VWAP. Both are below VWAP, right? Now ideally this, when it was falling, once this level was not taken out in 5 minutes, In 5 minutes, once this level was not taken out, do you see this supply candle? For people who are selling options, at this supply candle you could have shorted this option 297 पे, keeping 323 as stop loss. That one would have been a good trade. That one would have been a good trade. Okay, apparently auto numbers have come. I have not tracked the news. I was in the session. Auto numbers have already come. Right? We will go back to the chart. ठीक है, हीरो मोटो हो गया, मारुति was there. See again, till it's below V evaporate, I'm not interested in buying C. Maruti fell for a couple of days. We were looking for a PE here. The reason why we are looking at, okay, ये सेलिंग कैंडल है, ठीक है. अब इसके ऊपर जब तक क्लोज नहीं करते हैं ना, इस स्विंग के ऊपर मारुति लॉन्ग मत करना आज का कैंडल देख के. उसका रीज़न ये है ना, ये सेलिंग वॉल्यूम के साथ हुआ है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. इसके ऊपर जब तक क्लोज नहीं, ये पूरा रेजिस्टेंस एरिया है. पर्सनली वी आर सीइंग वन डिप इन मारुति, right? We are seeing one dip in Maruti, so be cautious. We are seeing one dip in Maruti, right? This is, if you see, right, this is a deep enough correction in a smaller time frame, right? This one would have, at this point of interest, this one would have already changed the character. At this retest, right, one can look at the, see, the day the candle closes below 9328, Tuesday or Wednesday, right, you would see a deep correction happening in Maruti. The targets are 8935 and 8830. Yeah. What else? Which were the stocks that we have to discuss? Maruti is done. मंडे को देखिए दुष्यंत जी, अभी शॉर्ट कुछ भी मत करिए, 3 बज गए. पीवीश द हाँ आ चुके हैं. बजाज फाइनेंस एंड फिनसर्व, डोंट बाय नाउ, लीव इट, राइट, लीव इट. We'll look at Oberoi Realty also one more time. क्या इस स्टॉक में कुछ मूवमेंट हुआ है क्या? जिगर, दिस इज एक्चुअली इनसाइड अ स्विंग. नाउ आर यू होल्डिंग दिस स्टॉक? ये अभी इनसाइड स्विंग है, इसमें कुछ है नहीं. There is nothing in this stock. It has to actually break out of 986 or break down from 914. I don't know what if right now it should consolidate. Yeah, this one ideally you should have not held on to this. इसका सेलिंग कैंडल का वॉल्यूम निकला नहीं तब तक कुछ होगा नहीं. I look at Tata Motors. मंथली ब्रेकआउट है टाटा मोटर्स का. इसका ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है. पर्सनली शुभम, आई वुड वेट फॉर अ कंसोलिडेशन यार. देखो ये ब्रेकआउट के पहले एक ट्रेंड लाइन के बाद 3-4 दिन अच्छा मूव है. आज ऑटो के नंबर्स आए, एक डिप लेने दो इसको. देखो सपोर्ट ये या तो इधर ले सकता है, यहाँ पे आके सपोर्ट ले सकता है डेली चार्ट में, या तो इसके ऊपर कंसोलिडेट करके फिर ब्रेकआउट करेगा. अभी आप इमीडिएटली इसमें मत जाएं क्योंकि 2-3 दिन रैली हो चुका है. जनरल रूल ऑफ थंब इज़ वेरी सिंपल, 4 days इफ़ यू गेट ग्रीन कैंडल्स देर इज़ अ रिवर्सल समवेयर विच कैन हैपन, राइट. देर इज़ अ रिवर्सल समवेयर विच कैन हैपन, ठीक है. ऑल द स्टॉक्स वी हैव क्लियर्ड आउट. बजाज फाइनेंस आई सेड नो, डू नॉट बाय, right. Okay, now this is going above VWAP again. I will see the problem here is this is the resistance and this is the support, right. See, I am not in favor of buying. It's already 3 o'clock, right. I am not in favor of buying. For me, right, today this move below trend line would have been good. It has not, did not give us completely. We made more than 1:1, which was okay. अभी I am waiting. 3.5 हो चुका है ना. If it's a retest somewhere around 43,910, right, somewhere here we can buy it for this target, but I would avoid. We have made decent money today. Avoid. personally, buying on the last half of Friday also means that FIIs are bullish. या तो माल चिपकाया जा रहा है या तो Friday, right? Friday highs generally Monday they start slow and then they pick it up throughout the week. See, component chart are all now, they are all trading in the narrow range of the support, right? This could also mean that, again I'll just open up this chart. HDFC का ना डेली चार्ट में अगर आप देखोगे, see it's bouncing but the velocity of the bounce is getting smaller by the time. If you see here, right, ये velocity, ये एक बड़ा बाउंस था, फिर एक थोड़ा और मीडियम बाउंस है, अब ये छोटा बाउंस आ रहा है. ये कंसोलिडेशन जब सपोर्ट के आसपास लंबा करते हैं ना तो उसको ब्रेक ही करता है, क्योंकि अगर इसको सपोर्ट लेना होता ना तो इमीडिएटली आके बाउंस कर जाता है. हम बुल ट्रेंड में सपोर्ट इज़ रिस्पेक्टेड, बेयर ट्रेंड में रेजिस्टेंस इज़ रिस्पेक्टेड. सो बुल ट्रेंड में सपोर्ट के आजू बाजू इतना रहना ये मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मुझे पर्सनली लग रहा है एक प्रॉफिट बुकिंग ज़रूर आएगी एंड ये सारे कंपोनेंट्स में दिख रहा है. बट अगेन द व्यू इज़ लॉन्ग टर्म, इंट्राडे का व्यू नहीं है. इंट्राडे का व्यू तो आपको मतलब हर दिन जैसा प्राइस एक्शन बनता है उस हिसाब से बनाना पड़ता है. बारिंग एक्सिस अगर आप हर एक चीज़ का देखोगे ना, ऊपर जाके एक बॉक्स में नीचे की तरफ ही कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. ये भी देखो सेम पैटर्न है, इसका भी अगर आप देखोगे सेम पैटर्न है. सो दैट इज़ वेयर आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी कॉन्फिडेंस टू गो लॉन्ग इन दिस मार्केट बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज सीइंग दैट समथिंग इज़ लर्किंग बिहाइंड द शैडोज़. एक दिन कोई बड़ा एक फॉल लेके आएंगे ये लोग. एवरी डे दिस इज़ हैपनिंग, राइट. एक्सिस इज़ डिफरेंट. एक्सिस डेफिनेटली द चार्ट पैटर्न वॉज गुड. एक्सिस का अगर आप देखोगे भी, वन डे का भी चार्ट अगर आप देखोगे ना, एक्सिस इज़ लुकिंग गुड. एक्सिस में माइलेज बाकी है. इनफैक्ट ट्रेंड लाइन से भी अगर आप खींचोगे यहाँ से तो ये कंसोलिडेट ही कर रहा है, न इस रेंज के नीचे जा रहा है. अब एक्सिस कब बेरिश होगा, जब आपको 899.9 के नीचे क्लोजिंग देगा, वरना ये ऑन नियर द ट्रेंड लाइन इट इज़ गिविंग अ गुड दिस थिंग consolidation. Probably it can actually go and break out, right? Axis is looking good from a daily standpoint. ये डाइसी लग रहा है. कोटक अब न्यूज़ के बाद है ना, इवेंट के बाद थोड़ा ठंडा ही पड़ता है, तो आई वुड वेट फॉर दिस चार्ट टू एक्चुअली गाइड मी एंड गिव मी अ confirmation before which I can give you any solid recommendation on these things. But personally I am seeing Kotak, right, till it actually breaks out of 1954 there is nothing. because see डेली चार्ट में अगर आप जाएंगे ना, ये बाइंग जो MSCI रीबैलेंसिंग की हुई, राइट, इसने जो सारे टारगेट्स थे, ये एक फ्री खाई भी बना था, एक फ्री खाई. एक्सिस हैज़ वॉल्यूम सेल, इट कुड बी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग. निखिल, यू कैन नॉट ऑलवेज गो बाय द वॉल्यूम सेल, ठीक है. ये अपने हायर एंड पे ना इसने MSCI रीबैलेंसिंग के बाद एक फ्रीक जो बनाया था, या यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन का सपोर्ट बना रहा है, ठीक है. ट्रेंड लाइन का सपोर्ट बनाना मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि ये अगेन इस पे भी सेम पैटर्न है. अगर आप देखोगे ये बॉक्स, अगर आप देखोगे ना जहाँ पे बार बार सपोर्ट ले रहा था, इस बॉक्स के लोअर एंड पे ही वापस जा रहा है. Take out the MSCI candle, if you see, right, the day it starts closing below 1926, you will see a decent correction. I personally, right, if you ask me positionally, after 1 or 2 days of pumping up the market, right, I am seeing some sort of profit booking, especially in Bank Nifty. मेरे को Bank Nifty के component chart को देख के यही लग रहा है. Bank Nifty component chart is not giving me any confidence. And see now throughout, again this is the resistance. ये resistance पे now this will spend some time. इसमें CE ट्रेड नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे CE के प्राइजेस ना ज़्यादा मूव नहीं करेंगे आपके साथ. सो डोंट रिस्क. सी ये मूवमेंट जो सब है ना, ये कैप्चर करना डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. ये 291 पे प्रिसाइज एंट्री होती नहीं है, 319 पे एग्जिट होते नहीं है. सो जनरली आई नीड अ विजिबिलिटी ऑफ 50-60 पॉइंट्स. इफ़ यू गेट दैट विजिबिलिटी, राइट, ओनली देन यू शुड एंटर. क्योंकि वरना क्या होगा, आपके एंट्री एंड एग्जिट में ना you will lose a lot of points. ठीक है. But again रीटेस्ट पे ट्रेड लेना होता है हमेशा। यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे जब फॉल आया वापस रीटेस्ट मिला नहीं है तो ट्रेड लेना नहीं चाहिए, ये प्रॉपर रीटेस्ट आना चाहिए तो ही एंटर करते। रीटेस्ट के बिना एंट्री इज़ नॉट एडवाइजेबल, एटलीस्ट आई डोंट डू इट बिकॉज आई हैव इन द पास्ट सीन द वोलेटिलिटी किल्स योर स्टॉप लॉसेस, इट कॉजेज अ लॉट ऑफ एंग्जाइटी। Now coming to the same chart analysis that we were doing, right? Same chart analysis that we were doing. कोटक छोड़ के Axis we have picked up, ICICI, okay, let's pick up SBI. See, SBI is another one, right? ये वापस इवेंट बेस्ड गैप डाउन था, राइट? इसके रिजल्ट के बाद था शायद। इट्स स्लोली गोइंग अप, आई एम पर्सनली सीइंग दिस गैप फिलिंग टू हैपन, राइट? सो 4 या 5 पॉइंट हो सकते हैं, राइट? उसके बाद देखना पड़ेगा इसमें कैसे, वेट आई लेट्स डू 1 डे, हाँ उसके बाद देखना ये क्या करता है, क्योंकि इसने गैप एक इंटरेस्टिंग जगह पे बनाई थी, इट हैज़ मेड गैप एट अ इंटरेस्टिंग रेजिस्टेंस पॉइंट, सो आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग एंड सीइंग व्हाट विल हैपन हियर, राइट? पर्सनली आई सी द गैप फिलिंग एंड देन अगेन अ फॉल, राइट? सो component wise IndusInd is a strong chart, I remember seeing this, IndusInd is a strong chart, I was hoping for a dip so that I can buy, but ये actually अब ब्रेकआउट देके ये कंसोलिडेट कर रहे हैं। IndusInd में बहुत 2019 या 2020 में एक बड़ा फॉल आया था न्यूज़ ड्रिवन प्रमोटर होल्डिंग को लेके, अब ये उन फॉल से उन फॉल से और कोविड के फॉल से आगे नहीं। दुष्यंत जी अभी कुछ भी नहीं है, या अभी कुछ भी नहीं है, अभी कुछ भी नहीं है। डोंट नो नीड टू टेक एनी ट्रेड्स राइट नाउ, ठीक है? पर्सनली दीज, राइट, एक्चुअली गो ऑन द वीकली और मंथली चार्ट्स, यू वुड सी दैट दिस हैज़ गॉट अ ह्यूज एरिया टू कवर। ये जो बड़ा फॉल, ये तो कोविड, हाँ ये यहाँ से प्रमोटर वाला फॉल आया था, उसके बाद कोविड वाला फॉल आया था। तो अगर आप इसमें देखोगे ना, इसमें लॉन्ग टर्म में बड़ी ट्रेंड लाइन्स थी। दिस स्टॉक यूज टू बी अ वेरी गुड स्टॉक एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, इसमें लेकिन फिर प्रमोटर होल्डिंग्स को लेके कुछ दिक्कत आई थी, इसने अपने ट्रेंड लाइन को तो यहाँ पे ब्रेक कर लिया है, ठीक है? अभी ये फ्लिप एरिया है वीकली चार्ट में, ये पूरा फ्लिप एरिया है। वाई इज़ दिस अ फ्लिप एरिया? ये वो जो कोविड कैंडल है ना, ये कोविड कैंडल जिस दिन 5% अप डाउन दोनों हुआ था, बजट, ये बजट कैंडल है, उसके बाद ये कोविड कैंडल है, ये एरिया पे ये सपोर्ट लिया था। अब इस यहाँ पे वीक में 1-2 वीक्स इफ इट कंसोलिडेट्स एंड ब्रेक्स, राइट, देन यू विल गेट अ गुड मूव। दिस मूव कैन टेक इट ऑल द वे टू 1552, बट ऑफ ऑल द बैंकिंग stocks this one is looking the best. Guys, again see what I was saying, right? It can take resistance. Now you go and see your option charts, right? So what was showing you as 320 has immediately come down to 286. This is where there is a problem, which is where I don't like making these kind of entries. It is very risky. So for people who want to buy, last trade 292 you can buy, 292 you can buy, you can place your stop loss at 275, right? The idea is simple at VWAP, but again we have made our money. Do not I will personally not risk it, right? I will personally not risk it. The reason is यहाँ पे ये रेजिस्टेंस ही लेगा, तो ज़्यादा ऊपर लेग्स है नहीं इसके पास, ज़्यादा ऊपर इसके पास लेग्स है नहीं, ठीक है? इसके पास ज़्यादा लेग्स है नहीं। We'll try and see this candle where it goes. If it doesn't give a move, we'll exit immediately. Do not hold on to these trades for long. They are very damaging to your capital. They are very damaging to your capital, right? Small stop loss we can take and we can exit. But guys, live you could see, right? Whatever I was explaining, right? Live you could see why there are certain entry points that I don't like to take in the market. Right, you guys could see it live, right? We were actually discussing it, and here, right, the resistance and supports were very close, but it's okay. As in, the idea is we learn through these things, right? When it was going up also, I said this movement is happening on the chart, it's very difficult to capture. and that is what it, see, you enter at 292, it goes to 318, 320, you will have to wait for one candle, right? Because it's not even given you 1:2, 1:1 bin area, sorry. We wait and see. If we get a decent exit, we take it. Otherwise, we'll take right now at 315, right? We'll exit the trade with a 14-point loss. We try to exit it closer to 290. Let's see, 296 and 305 के बीच में कहाँ जाता है. We will exit it. Right, we'll exit it. Again, primarily, if you see, right now, look at this range in the market, right? 44,000 to 43,927, 80-point range. Expiry ke din it can actually give good premium movements. Without expiry, right, it cannot. Without expiry, it cannot. We taken the stop loss, guys. We have taken the stop loss. It's okay. We have taken the stop loss, guys. With this, I would like to close the session. Right. I hope I have been able to address everyone's query. Jigar, just ping me the other stock that you said. Right. I think I could not capture it. PCBIL. Right. Just share it with me. Just share it with me. I would like to, I will look at it separately, right? I think I'm done with my session, guys. I hope everyone, and again, some of these things, right, which I was teaching, right, you guys are able to see it live on the charts, right? I said this is a resistance, right? It could come and hit. Too late for us to take a trade or plan a trade, right? This was way below VWAP. Generally below VWAP, no, never buy an option. It keeps taking the resistances up, right? And that is something that you, as an option trader, right, you will have to practice and discipline your mind to do, right? Now here also the problem is, if you see there is a resistance, don't try to, again, looks like चिपकाने के लिए उन्होंने 3 से 3.25 ऊपर खींचा था, माल तगड़ा बेचा है, ये कैंडल अच्छी खासी आई है. दिस इज़ अ 140 point candle that they have brought, right? This is a 140 point candle that they have brought. It's a big candle. It's a big candle, right? It's a big candle that they have brought, and this is how they do. Now there is a trend line support, there is a resistance. अभी जो हम सोच रहे थे सुबह को, अभी it is exactly doing per that thing. It's a narrow range. It will keep consolidating now, right? So don't look at these movements on the chart and get excited to enter. Market generally tends to beat us, right, when we get excited like this. The movement is so rapid on the option chart, considering it's a Friday. I want to just see the VIX. कि VIX में क्या हुआ है ऐसा. Ideally VIX should rise. If this kind of movement has come, no, the VIX should rise. VIX has also not risen. जाने दो, ज़्यादा stress मत लो. I would personally not take these kind of trades. See, market rewards us if we have taken good trades, right? Market is very rewarding. The problem is when we start taking trades which are not per the setup, and at the end of the day, right, they are very dangerous for us. And यहाँ पे resistance है, ये मेरे हिसाब से resistance लेके गिरेगा, option भी गिरेगा. See, look at this. 306 to tuck 290, 288, right? These are not good trades for us. These are not good trades for us. Personally, I avoid these trades. I avoid these trades for a simple reason. They end up taking your stop losses. See, they have actually consumed stop losses both sides, huh, guys. They would have hit stop losses both sides. The way they have gone ahead with it, they would have eaten your stop losses both sides. That is how they play the game. That is how they play the game, right? Now don't tell me that see again, and you can never keep these big stop losses on the market. It's very easy to say in the hindsight, it's not possible in the real market, right? Thanks friends, I will end the session. Thank you so much for joining. We had one good trade, one small stop loss, right? Lots of learning, right? Lots of learning, guys. Reach out to support ID in case you have any doubts, queries. Stocks which are left, right? Whatever I could recollect, I have kind of tried to cover it. Happy weekend to everyone, guys. Happy weekend. Yeah, cool. Take care. Reach out to support group. I will try to release a testimonial of our mentees also in coming weekend. We have not had any time, so we'll try and come back. Yeah, take care guys. Thank you.